Simple interest formula is I equals principal times rate times time, and that's time in terms of a year, in years. So $10,000 invested for 1 year at X% simple annual interest yield $600. So X%, and you can write that as X over 100, and that's your interest rate. So for this first one, interest is principal times rate times time. They tell me the interest earned is $600. $10,000 is invested at an X%. I equal PRT, so that's going to be X over 100. And the time is 1 year, so times 1, that doesn't change anything. Okay, now what amount must be invested at Y%? What amount must be invested at Y% to yield the same number of dollars? So I equal PRT, my next investment. The interest is still $600. We're trying to figure out how much to invest, which is our principal. And this is going to be Y over 100. That's Y% interest rate. And once again, it's in the bank for 1 year, so times 1, which doesn't change anything. So, all right, this is what's given, what I've written so far. And we're trying to figure out what amount must be invested at Y%. So we're trying to find P. All right, so clue 1, Y equals 3. Y equals 3, well, that will work. Because if you take 600 equals P and substitute in a 3, you're only left with one variable. You can solve for P. So clue 1 works. Let's look at clue 2. What is clue 2? Y equals 0.5x. I think that's going to work too. Once again, Y is 0.5. Let's use this equation. 600 equals P times 0.5x over 100. So we can substitute in here. Replace 600 with this expression, and that's P times 0.5x over 100. That's what 600 is, and that's equal to 10,000 x over 100. And you could divide both sides by x, and the x would cancel out, and you would be left with an equation with one variable, which is P, and that's what you're trying to find. So clue 2 works as well. Both work independently, so your answer is D.